Here I've got HUAWEI Mate 30 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper. Here it is. And now just pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be one from magazine, unlock, themes, or some wallpaper. Let me pick wallpaper, album, and now choose the photo that you like the most. So it can be this one. And if you would like to apply it, simply click on confirmation mark and then decide if you would like this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them. And this is what I will choose. I would like to have it on both home and lock screen. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also lock screen. Here it is. So that would be all. This is how you can change wallpaper on your HUAWEI. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.